Hi, my name is James Back with 360 and Back. And in today's short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over your complete listing toolkit known as your iGuide report. Now, you're going to receive this report through email as soon as your iGuide has been completed. And this report contains a lot of valuable features and tools for preparing, marketing, and managing your properties. Now, if we look at this report, it's divided into two main sections, the links and the property details. The link section contains web links to your interactive tour, floor plans, and image gallery that you can copy, paste, and share online. Now, before you get too far involved, I want to go over that at the very top, you're going to have your listing address along with your social media sharing buttons. Now, the virtual tour links offered branded and unbranded, and you can use these links just to highlight the URL, copy, and paste. Now, the downloadable links are offered for offline sharing and marketing. Just click the link to download the image gallery straight to your hard drive. And I also want to note that if it's your first time, this might take several minutes. Now, the iGuide report offers additional marketing support tools, such as the feature creator sheet, which will allow you to create a professional looking feature sheet quickly and easily. Now, the embedding tool lets you generate and add code to a third party website, meaning a website owned or operated by an entity other than Google. Now, if we go down, we can see property details. So you have room measurements, the main floor and the second floor. It's just going to give you the main areas. So some of the smaller areas they might leave out. And then it's going to give you the floor area information, the finished and unfinished areas of all the floors. There's a lot of great tools in here. I really hope this answered all your questions. If you have any questions or comments, you can send me an email and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.